grew up in Austin, right? And like, you know, these trees everywhere. But we used to start cleaning it off. But then my father would be like, "That's gonna kill the tree," and so like we weren't really allowed to do it. So we get like keep it, right? And so I just never. Yeah, I will.
Jones, you don't take no guff no more. I said, Charlie Jones, you don't take no guff no more. Well, pick up your hammer, swing away. You're working for the man next door. I said, well, pick up your hammer, swing away. You're working for the man next door. Well, I said working for the man next door. Yeah, Charlie Jones, you don't take no guff no more. I said, well, Charlie Jones, you don't take no guff no more. Say goodbye to Uncle Sam, you're working for the man next door. I said, well, say goodbye to Uncle Sam, you're working for the man next door. Well, I said, working for the man next door. Well, I said, working for the man next door. Well, yeah, you're working for the man next door. Yeah, Charlie Jones, you don't sing no guff no more. Hey. I said, well, Charlie Jones, you don't sing no guff no more. Pick up your hammer, swing away. You're working for the man next door. I said, well, pick up your hammer, swing away. You're working for the man next door. Well, I said, working for the man next door. No, sir, not. I said, working for the man next door.
Okay, so I'm watching this YouTube video, and this guy's working on this Polaris, and I thought it was really cool. I watched it. It was a good video. I wish I could remember who the guy was, so I could give some props on his channel. But anyways, I look over his shoulder in the back of the room in his shop. He had a chainsaw tree, something similar to this, and I was just amazed by it. I thought that was the coolest idea possible. So I wish I knew who this guy was. I just can't remember. So if you're out there, here's your chainsaw tree. I put one together, and I hope you like it. Check it out.